Hello, so I am going to show you guys how to make my family's absolute favorite sleep time blend. Now, in my bedroom, my master bedroom, I just have the 3 different oils that we make, but I always make a smaller little bottle with the 5 milliliters for my boys' room, so it stays right in their bedroom, so we're not carrying all the bottles through the entire house. And theirs is getting low. I just peeled the label off because I need to put a new label on. So I'm going to show you guys, we call this our favorite sleepy time blend. Alright, so let me just pop this open. So I am reusing a bottle. So I have a little diffuser remover, orifice remover, which opens up the bottle. So this is going to be a blend to put into the diffuser itself. So we're not going to add any coconut oil to this. It's just going to be to put in the diffuser at bedtime to help my boys sleep at night. So we mix Serenity, which you can see we use quite a bit of Serenity, Breathe, and I have the bigger bottle of On Guard, but this is just a small milliliter bottle. I'm going to finish off first, and On Guard. So we're going to make a master bottle that will just sit in my boys' room until I need to refill it. So what I do is I put, because it's a master blend, I'm going to put 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 30. So 30 drops of Serenity. Then I'm going to take and do 30 drops of Breathe. So I do an even amount of all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 30. I may count a little different than some people are like, how is she counting like that? That's just how I do it. And then the On Guard, which just might take almost the rest of this little bottle, but that's okay because I have a brand new bottle. So I have a brand new bottle of Serenity, and my Breathe is still doing good. And like I said, this is going to be the master bottle that sits in my boys' room. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Just about that whole bottle, which is fine. So this put this up to here. So it's a little less than the whole 5 ml. And then you're going to swirl it around for about a minute. Make sure it combines. And there's the master blend. And then when you get ready to go to bed at night, all you need to do is just put in 3 to 4 drops, depending on 3, 4, 8, depending on what size diffuser you have. The one we have, we normally just put about 4 drops because of everything blended together. Then always, of course, make sure you label it. I have to relabel this one because the label was getting kind of bad. So let me go ahead, and I actually have these little stickers that I use that are leftover scrap stickers from something else, from labels that I have. So I'm going to find a marker, and I'm going to maybe label this Sleep Blend. And then I'm going to put this right onto my bottle if I can get the sticker to peel off. And then I'm going to take packing tape. You can use Scotch tape if that's what you have. I use packing tape. I cut it just a tiny bit smaller because it is a little wider than the bottle. Now, if this was a roller, I wouldn't have to cut the tape at all. And you want to do this to make sure that your label stays waterproof. I'm going to cut off a little bit more after I put this on. And I got some oil on here, but it's okay. It'll still work. It's not the greatest, guys, I'm telling you. It's not the greatest label I've ever done. I've done a lot better labels, but I'm kind of in a hurry. Try and cut off the excess tape because I didn't cut it off quite short enough. There we go. So I did get a little oil on there because I got it on my hands, but it's okay. So Sleep Blend is not the perfect label. I can put another one on later. But that is my family's favorite sleep blend that we put in our diffuser every night when we sleep. And it helps us with sleeping because myself and my youngest have insomnia. I also have allergies. My oldest has allergies, so this actually opens up my oldest airways. Sorry for my